Guess what's inside? Dinosaur bone, aka gem bone. Gem bone, also known as gem bone, agatized dinosaur bone, or dino gem, is mineralized bone, often dinosaur bone, which occurs when minerals from groundwater are deposited within the bones. It is one of 5 gemstones created from organisms, the others being pearl, ammolite, amber and jet. Many minerals can be found in gem bone, including agate, hematite, iron, pyrite, jasper, marcasite, quartz or other crystal. Aside from their use in jewelry, scientists can use this type of specimen to perform research into the anatomic structure of ancient species.